better equipment last time.
So we're just on the outskirts of Grimsby, bit of a wild camp this evening. I'm with Tony. You might recognise him from my Cinder Track adventure back in summertime. And we went all around East and North Yorkshire. But today we're here in Lincolnshire. I've already had my ride today. Tony's he's got a family, so we're staying close to his home. As you can see, I'm fully loaded today because I'm not going too far. But I tell you what, I'll bring some tripods and things. So we're just on the way to the stop, a co-op, the co-op at Keelby.
Got new bags on it instead of panniers. Got a nice size frame pack. One large water bottle. Really nice rear seat pack.
I like the top tube bag you've got there. That looks really
yeah.
Well, fits in the rest of your gear, doesn't it?
Yeah. Food in here. That's got all my toolkit, electronics, immediate stuff. Tail bag. So it's been secured with this rack here.
I must admit, I do like the way you've got your bottles on there. I'm gonna make an idea.
This was like 10 quid. It was like 10 quid from China.
So I'm on my Sonder, of course. So yeah, so I've got a sleep system up there. You saw it before. Pegs, my out kit bag, and this massive backpack on me as well.
Well, you have this securing device, so you don't.
Yeah, it fell off early today.
Did it?
So we've arrived at the wild camping spot. Just about to go off the main road. Try and cut through here. Just take it out each corner and put it underneath. You've nearly got yourself fully set up. I've not even started yet. Okay, before I get set up, I thought I'd quickly show you what I brought with me today. So, got an inertia, X-frame. This is the sleeping pad. Next to it, Seat Summit, it's a Thermalite fabric. Reactor Compact Plus. In other words, it's a silk liner. Yes, I have indeed brought a pillow with me. Don't tell anybody. Tent is in this restrapped race aero bag, which I'll get that out in a minute, start putting the tent up. I brought a hooded jacket with me. Base layer, thick pair of woolly socks, some long bib tights, and of course a sleeping bag as well. And now I've opted for the Mountain Warehouse. It's a season 1 tent. Normally, well, I'm not saying normally, the last couple of trips I've come with the season 3, but this time I thought try the Sea Summit silk liner instead, because it's not quite winter yet, so not terribly cold. I'll see how that feels with these extra layers on.
completely different.
Cup of tea soon. Make a cup of coffee soon even. So I've got this windshield. Not sure if I really need it tonight, but I brought it anyway.
Yeah,
You're better off having too many layers then, not enough.
well, that's what I thought. I saw the temperature was going to plummet at night, which it does this time of year, doesn't it? And it's going to be a clear night, I think. So it'll be colder, won't it?
So I got myself a bit of a treat today. Bought some asparagus and sirloin steak. So I'm going to get things on the go. Also bought some mixed herbs. Sprinkle a bit of those on both sides. Not too much. As well as some rosemary, of course. Got some asparagus in there as well. Don't know how long that takes. There's plenty though. Do you like asparagus, Tony?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had it for a while, to be honest.
Use a good old fingers to turn it over, I think. There we go. Right, so I'm cooking some food for myself. Tony's amusing himself trying to start a fire.
Trying.
Very trying. Looks nice and creamy.
There's a standing joke in our house that you can add that's what she said at the end of every sentence, and it sort of becomes funny or rude. Let's make it milky as well.
That's what she said.
Pecan plat.
So,
The afters.
are you going to use this rubbish to have another go at the fire? Success. Tony has found his. It's not been christened yet either, has it?
It's not going to be either.
Well, good morning, folks. Just coming up to about 7 o'clock. Had a good night's sleep, kept nice and warm. Just a little bit chilly now, as it always is when the sun starts rising. But yeah, this soap liner has done the job. Well, hello, good morning everyone. Beautiful sunrise, great night's sleep. Just had to get some breakfast, some porridge, nice coffee. So this is the woods we stayed in last night, myself and Tony.
I've had better nights.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you were snoring like a good water last night.
Was you?
You were?
Me? Surprised how cold it gets. In the wee hours.
Well, that was the trouble, the wee.
So today, I've bought some Paul Green's cycling coffee. He's a YouTube blogger as well, so AeroPress in hand, got a nice brew. Even bought a sachet as well, so I can have both. We're using my power pack now. Tony's 5 million mAh power banks failed him today.
It's 5 mAh. Not 5 million.
It got less than 1% battery life back on it.
It just charged my Garmin, and it was charging my phone, and then it just started flashing in the night. And
Well, it's near AeroPress for me. I've gone and forgot it's a regular coffee for me. Yeah, it's definitely not on the ground. The deers kept away, didn't they? Didn't hear any deers. No.
Yeah,
Just the odd twig being stood on.
and the wild boar. You didn't hear the wild boar, did you?
No, I didn't hear the wild boar.
Snoring like a pig in the middle of the night. I'm presuming it was a wild boar, and the fact that you never heard it, you can do the math. Really, can't you?
Yeah.
It was making a racket in the night for quite some time actually, and very annoyingly a lot earlier than I did.
Well, at least it didn't come towards you and try and chase you.
It did break wind a couple of times. Well, I presume it was the warthog.
Yeah.
It couldn't have been you.
No, I was
fast
asleep. Couldn't be me. Never heard a thing. Had a great night's sleep. It's got a bit of tip for you. He said if you put your canister into your stove, stop it rattling around, just put loads of tissue paper in there, in the bottom. These here, I don't know what you call these pieces, but if they come in a bag, if yours comes in a bag, put the lighter in with it, keep it all together. And this frying pan from Alox, I purchased this, bought this maybe about 6 to 8 months ago, used it a couple of times. As you can see, it goes in this handy little bag, really good. I'll drop some links down below the video to some of this stuff I use on the wild camps, especially stuff where I've got some faith in, like this windshield here. Really simple design. Maybe it's not the most compact in the world. It was the first time using one of these Sea to Summit silk liners back here in the UK, and yeah, kept warm all night. It did a good job. I'll be using this again, but I think when it comes to like proper winter, this will probably stay at home, and I'll use the season 3 sleeping bag I've got from Van Gogh. If it gets really cold, I'll have this on top around it. enjoyed this video. Got any comments, questions, stick them down below. Off for a bike ride now. See you later. Bye bye. Did you enjoy last night?
Yeah, it was good. I've had a better night's sleep, but that's what the joy of